Welcome to Geographer Thinking. Today topic is fields of geography that we will discuss. The broadest possible division of discipline geography is physical geography and human geography. But even within this broad division, there are also a subdivision. And for example, a physical geography may work on shoreline, beaches, on soil erosion, or on climate change. On the other hand, human geography may be interested in urban problems, in geopolitical trends, or in economics, racial, medical, and health issues. As a result, geography today consists of variety of fields. On the number one we will discuss is physical geography. The physical meaning is like a foundation stone to all the field of geography. So the systematic study of land, water, air, and life on it is called a physical geography. Number one we will discuss is geomorphology. It is the most reproductive subfield of physical geography. Geo meaning earth, morpho meaning shape or form. It is the study of shape or form or structure of mountain. Next is climatology. It is the study of climates and their global distribution and classification of climate on broader distribution and environmental changes. It is the relationship between human societies and climate. Next is biogeography. This is the most important subfield of physical geography related to biology. In this branch, we study botany, zoology, also study ecology. The next is soil geography. In this branch, we study soil composition, spatial pattern of soil, their distribution, and their relationship to climate, vegetation, and mankind. Next is hydrology. In this branch, we study properties of earth, water, and its movements in relation to land use. The next is oceanography. In this branch, we study all the aspects of the world's ocean and seas, including their physical and chemical properties, origin and geology, and life form. Research entails sampling seawater and marine life, remote sensing of oceanic processes with aircrafts and satellites, and exploration of the seafloor. Geography aids in predicting weather and climate and utilization of Earth's resources and in understanding the effects of pollutant. The next is glaciology. In this branch, we study the moving mass of ice and their erosional depositional features also. Coastal geography. In this branch, we study constantly changing between sea and coast and weathering processes, wave action, sediments movements, and most important, human interaction with coast. Environmental geography. In this branch of geography that describes and explains the spatial aspects of interaction between human individual or societies and their natural environment. It involves several aspects of the relationship between humans and the environment. Paleography. Ancient geographic setting of an area defined by a breakup of supercontinent, Rhodina, multicellular life evolved with increasing complexity. Astronomical geography. This branch treats the Earth as planet of its shape, its size, its lines of latitude and longitude, its zones, and the phenomena due to the Earth's diurnal and annual motion. We can say that the astronomical geography is the part of geography that is dedicated to the study of the Earth in its relation with their celestial bodies. The second major branch is human geography. It is a major branch of geography that studies people and their interaction with the Earth and their organization of space on Earth's surface. We can say that how humans have affected by the environment and why civilizations are there they are. Culture geography. Culture geography is closely related to anthropology. It is the study of spatial variation among cultural groups and spatial functioning of the society. It focuses on describing and analyzing the ways languages, religion, economy, government, and their cultural phenomenon vary or remain constant from one place to another. The next is political geography, the branch of geography that deals with the boundaries, division, and possessions of states. Population geography, the study of the ways in which spatial variation in the distribution, composition, migration, and growth of population are related to the nature of places. Urban geography, it is the study of cities and human in relation to their location, size, shape, functions. We can also study structure developments of cities from small village to huge megalopole. Transition geography, we study transportation network and the use of those network for moving people and goods. Medical geography, it is the study of geographic distribution of diseases, illness, death, and health care. Economic geography, it is a study of location, distribution, spatial organization of economic activities across the world. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and like this video.